The reason we're placing this soft top is because there's no sticky left, and the Velcro zippers are really stiff. And then it also leaks on this rail up here. The clip is broken, so it doesn't latch fully, doesn't seal up here, so water's constantly getting in. The top is 13 years old at this point. It's the original one, so just time to get it. So some more damage under here. There's like the support strap. It's got no support left in it. One of these attachment points on the top is broken off. And then this strap in here also completely broken off. I already took one out, but you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're just Phillips head screws that hold in this material right here, so just take all those out. This obviously was supposed to stay up, but these straps broken off, they're not gonna do that. So it just falls down. Then up here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more screws. Go ahead and undo your latches inside. All right, now at this point, the only thing that's holding the entire top on are these 2 joints right here. So if I take this one out, take this one out, this is free, then all of this is free too. I can remove that. So I'm gonna do that on both sides. And both of these are a T30 bit. There actually is this clip right here. You're gonna have to pop loose. I forgot about it because on the other side it's broken. So now it's loose. You can see now just how much water is just sitting up in here. This is what just constantly leaks down on you when this fills up. Take a turn, it just spills on the inside. But for getting this bracket out, just got these screw bolts right here. And now this whole thing comes off. I noticed that these brackets that come with it are not the same as the OEM ones. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace them. Do that, you have to dig out this zipper. It's buried in this plastic trim piece right here. You gotta unzip this. Now you can get some slack over here. Take that off. Slack there. There we go. Both of these right here are another pair of T30s. So with the new door piece that's going on, it goes on the same way it came off. The only difference is in these mounting bolts. They're not just screw in by hand. You need a T40 bit for these. Once you have the door pieces in place, you have the above door latches that need to go into place. There's these 2 holes right here. It just drops in right on top of it. And then it's just a matter of screwing in these 2 little screws. They're both T25 screws. And next I'm gonna put this new bar in place. Should be pretty easy. All right, with Bestop or Bestop, however you say it, Bestop top, there's also this bow assembly is what it's called. And it hooks in right on these little hooks right here. You just kind of have to bend it into place. And it sits just like this, which the only purpose I can see for this is that it helps keep the top a little bit tighter. Obviously it's going to get in the way when you have just a little sunroof thing back. So I guess this is optional, but it's a cool piece. I'll try it out. All right, next is the pretty much fully assembled top. I'm just gonna wrestle this thing on. All right, big mistake here. The top piece, the front piece right here, is what goes into this lower bracket. This one right here goes into this piece here. So I'm gonna switch those out. And there we go, new top is on. already feels 100 times better. Velcro feels like it's good. Went on pretty easy. Obviously, if you were putting together all these pieces, like putting these pieces together, all this stuff together, that would take a lot longer. So all in all, I still got to put the windows on. This took me an hour and a half. If you're doing it yourself or switching over to a soft top, then good luck. Enjoy it.